2024 Best Cheap Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki SV650. In the dynamic world of motorcycles, the 2024 Suzuki SV650 stands out as an exceptional and affordable choice for beginners, seamlessly blending versatile design, accessible performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best cheap motorcycles for those entering the realm of riding, the SV650 exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of cost-effectiveness, beginner-friendly attributes, and the excitement of versatile riding. In 2024, the SV650 continues to be a compelling option for entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible precision, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling on a budget. 1. Timeless and versatile aesthetics with affordability. The Suzuki SV650 boasts timeless and versatile aesthetics that deliver a balanced visual experience without breaking the bank, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking affordability coupled with style. With its naked bike design, exposed engine, and a comfortable riding stance, the SV650 exudes a versatile presence on the road. Suzuki's commitment to cost-effective design ensures that the SV650 not only provides an enjoyable riding experience but also stands as a visual testament to the affordability of precision and versatility. 2. Potent V-twin engine for accessible power. At the heart of the SV650 lies a potent 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and versatility for beginner riders. Suzuki's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an economical yet exciting riding experience. The SV650's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, highway cruising, and spirited rides, offering a budget-friendly platform for riders to explore the thrill of motorcycling in various scenarios. 3. Nimble handling and responsive suspension. Designed for nimble handling, the Suzuki SV650 features a lightweight chassis and responsive suspension that contribute to its agile and responsive characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and well-tuned suspension make it easy for beginners to navigate through city traffic, carve through corners, and enjoy the thrill of versatile riding. The SV650's nimble handling enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the excitement of dynamic rides without breaking the bank. 4. Comfortable and ergonomic riding position. Crafted for comfortable riding, the SV650 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a comfortable and upright seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Suzuki's commitment to rider comfort makes the SV650 not only a budget-friendly option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, touring, and exploring different riding styles. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 SV650 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. A clear and user-friendly instrument cluster, LED lighting, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without inflating the cost. Suzuki ensures that the SV650 remains an economical yet technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of budget-friendly styling with essential conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Suzuki SV650 stands as a global icon of entry-level versatility, securing its position as one of the best cheap motorcycles for beginners. Its timeless and versatile aesthetics, potent V-twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for budget-conscious riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with style, or enjoying the thrill of versatile riding on a budget, the SV650 encapsulates the spirit of Suzuki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of affordable riding excellence. As a symbol of accessible precision, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling without breaking the bank, the 2024 Suzuki SV650 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of cheap motorcycles for beginners.